Hey guys, just a short update. I will be going live today. Happy Monday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully, you guys can join me. It is a welcome open panel, no cussing allowed. If you would like, or like I said, we'll be doing a commentary live. So, hopefully, you can join us. But getting right into the topic at hand, true is a poor excuse for a man, and I say that respectfully. And why do I say it respectfully? Because if True wants to change, and this goes for anyone, when he's ready to change and be the man that we know that True could be, he will be the man that he can be. And hopefully he becomes that man soon because
Come on, don't y'all see? Remember Mexico? You thought we was gonna be in jail. Got out. Remember Nicaragua? He's not getting out. Got out. Remember Panama? Got out. Remember Hawaii? He's not getting out. Got out. Don't you see the pattern?
you have a son and you allegedly have another child before you had job that you need to be raising. Nature Boy's a grown man. He got himself into this trouble. He's going to get himself out of it. And if he doesn't, that is not for you to sit up here and decide. Now, I can tell because I've been following True for a long time that he's upset about some things. I know that True's the biggest troll of the trolls. And I know that he heard about the live stream that Musa did with one of Nature Boy's supporters. And I know he's not happy about it. He was trying to play calm, cool, and collective on Sunday, which was the 26th of June. But you can't be calm because, see, while people keep continuously exposing Nature Boy and what was happening behind closed doors, like Musa did and Solar did a few months back, it's exposing you as well, True. And I think he's more worried about his image than really Nature Boy. I think that True is in the position that he's in right now only because he didn't have control before Nature Boy went to jail. Now he's getting the fantasy, the something that I think that he preyed on. It's coming to reality that he's now in control while Nature Boy's locked up. Nature Boy's the one that needs him. I think that's, in my own opinion, the only reason why True stays around. You can throw up into the community's face all day long that Nature Boy has been locked up and they always released him in all these other countries for the same allegations. But True is clearly in denial because I think this time it'll stick. And if it doesn't, which I think is going to stick, but let's say, hypothetically speaking, let's play devil's advocate. I think that Nature Boy is going to definitely clean up his act because that should be a warning that you're getting closer and closer, if not right as we speak, to the end where they will throw away the key on you, lock you up, and throw away that key and keep it moving. Because they're not going to allow you to destroy the world more than it already is right now. And you're just adding to it. True was adding to it. So was Nature Boy, as we know, the ringleader. And then he has his minions.
And brainwashed is a good thing. Brainwashed means you have removed all the junk information from your mind and you are able to see clearly.
Malia, Aya, Efuru, and Zoka. And it's really sad that this dude, True, is funding the BS. Because if he was to take away his little military check, cray check is what I'm going to call it.
I am the greatest disciple because I hold the knowledge the best. I'm the most convinced. I'm the most brainwashed. Remember? It doesn't matter about the charges, those are semantics. The pattern still persists. You said, I don't believe that. I think my actions say otherwise. Oh, y'all would love the video. True finally wakes up.
They would have to go to their families, where they would need their families. And I'm quite sure there'd be ultimatums put on a lot of these carbonation members. One being counseling. Two being, of course, get on your feet and get a job. They would have to be one of us back in Babylon. I don't know how much longer True's going to be able to cape for Natureboy. I don't know. But we see he's trying his hardest to keep Natureboy's name relevant and alive, and trying to make this person out to be not a demonic force, but a positive force. And we're the negative people trying to take down God. 3 God. Delusional.
Every time you think, oh, it's the end of carbonation, it's over, we always keep moving forward. Because this consciousness is the truth. And the truth lasts forever.
And I don't think that he's really helping Natureboy. I think that he's hurting him. He's also making it easier for them to come forth, talk with the judges, and convince them that this man is a risk and a threat to the world, society. And we should hold him down and further investigate him until we're able to charge him with something and put him away so he can be rehabilitated. And I don't think True understands that he's helping with that. It's really sad that, he got up here Sunday. You could
Y'all thought that it was over in Nicaragua, got out. You thought it was over in Hawaii, got out. We'll see. Either way, death before dishonor.
tell again that Musa must have hit a chord. Um, because I don't understand how he went back to talking about Natureboy's freedom and talking about how Natureboy went through this before, but he got out. I thought you guys were over talking about that. True? You just wanted to talk about the knowledge. But soon as you found out that Musa called him evil and that Natureboy's not in jail for no reason, you wanted to pick up the conversation and throw back in people's faces how those allegations that were against Natureboy from the past never stuck. And so will these charges that are against him now. These are some harsh charges.